Hi guys, so today I'm showing you all how I make hot cocoa tea. So cocoa tea is made from chocolate balls, which is basically raw chocolate made straight from the cocoa beans that has been toasted. So let's get started with this recipe. Also, it's very hard to find the chocolate balls outside of the Caribbean. I live in the US and I've yet to find it up here, but check your local Caribbean stores and see if you can find them there. So some of the things you're going to need to make cocoa tea is, of course, the chocolate balls, some cinnamon sticks, and some bay leaves. You're also going to need water or milk to melt the chocolate balls in. Here I'm using sweetened condensed milk, but if you're not a fan of condensed milk, you can always just use sugar and milk instead of water. So in a pot of boiling water, I added in my chocolate balls and the spices, the bay leaves and cinnamon sticks. You can also add a tip of nutmeg if you'd like. And we're just gonna let this boil until the chocolate have melted down. So about 5 minutes. And once everything has melted, we're gonna take the cocoa tea off the fire and we're going to use a strainer to strain it. So right here I'm simply straining the cocoa tea to remove the spices and any of the stuff I do not want in my tea. And now it's time to sweeten the cocoa tea. So as I stated earlier, I sweeten my teas using sweetened condensed milk. It tastes really good with it. But if you're not a fan of condensed milk, you can always make your tea using milk and adding sugar at the end if you'd like. Whatever you'd like to do. Just remember, if you use milk to melt the chocolate balls instead of water, do not boil the milk, just let it simmer and let the chocolate melt. Burnt milk does not taste good. And once you've sweetened your tea to your liking, you're finished making hot cocoa tea. This tea is very rich in chocolate and it's very delicious. So once I'm done making my tea, I usually add a little American touch to it and top it with some whipped cream, or if you'd like marshmallows, you can try that. And that's how I make my hot cocoa tea. Thank you guys so much for watching this recipe. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.